Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on Icrt FM 100.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month we're teaching you how to say the phrase I'm late or I'm going to miss out on something. 来不及了。
敷唔出嚟。
敷唔出嚟 Okay, remember that. It comes in very handy, but hopefully you won't use it too often. Okay, 来不及了有什么样的这个状况呢？
赶车啊？
对，赶不上高铁啦或火车啦。
眼睁睁看它跑掉。
对。Especially when you want to catch a train, right? They have a set schedule, whether it be the high-speed rail or a regular train. So let's teach you terms associated with a train station because a lot of people might be late during this scenario. So first of all, 火车站, which is the train station.
火車頭。
火車頭. So 火車 is the train and 頭 is the station.
那海陸腔的火車站。火車頭。
火車頭, a different dialect of saying the train station. All right, when you're at a train station, you got to be careful, okay? 不管坐这个台铁、高铁啊，你要小心哦，不要走错方向了。北上南下，有时候会
搭错車。
对。So there's northbound and there's southbound. How do you say these? Okay, 北上。
往北。
往北就是往北的意思，对不对？ And then there's the southbound, 南下。
往南。
往南。Okay, 往 means I'm going that way, and 北 is north, and then 南 is south. Okay, so those are northbound and southbound. And if you're late for a train, maybe the next option is to take the next train, right? How do you say that?
坐下一班。
坐下一班。
就是坐下一班咯。
坐就是坐吗？
对，就是搭啦。
Okay.
坐下一班。
坐 means ride or to sit. 下一班 means the next one. All right, that means take the next train. All right, let's make a phrase out of these vocabulary right here. 我们就来不及了，我得搭下一班火车。I'm late, so I have to take the next train.
敷唔出嚟。
敷唔出嚟。
捱沙哀。
捱沙哀。
坐下一班火車。
坐下一班火車。
捱沙哀就是我得要去搭啦。捱沙哀。
捱沙哀 means I have to. And then 坐下一班
火車.
Okay, take the next. 火車 is train. So now you know how to make a phrase out of this now. So let's review these terms. 火車站 the train station.
火車頭.
火車頭. And then northbound, 北上.
往北.
往北. And then southbound, 南下.
往南.
往南. And finally, I have to take the next one, the next train. 搭下一班.
坐下一班.
坐下一班. And there you go. It's all about Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
漢字四張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.